Hello and welcome to another video of Solidity Do-It-Yourself tutorial. In the last few set of videos, we have been discussing on how to create our use case and implement it on Solidity around transferring money in and out of an account. An account exists as an address on a blockchain. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on how to transfer the real Ethereum or cryptos out of the account. In our last set of videos, we have been transferring in and out the amount. That amount was just a number. So things are going to get real from here. So let's do that. I have created a new Solidity program file, and then I'm going to write a program to transfer or deposit Ether or Way to a contract. So as discussed, a contract can also hold Ether or any cryptos or any value as other contract. So let's do that. So I'm going to write the license. No surprises there. Pragma Solidity 0.8. And I'm going to use this up arrow. That means anything beyond this version. Okay. Now, contract, we'll do that later. So contract, fifth payable contract. So I'm writing a contract, which is fifth payable contract. So I'm writing a function, deposit crypto. This function is a type payable. That means it has the ability to transfer cryptos from one place to another. That means in this case, we'll see deposit cryptos. It's going to deposit on this contract when it is deployed. Next, I'm going to make it very simple. I'm going to say here require. That means it requires message.value. Message means the transaction. The value of the transaction should be greater than or equal to 100 GUI. So 100 GUI is what the value of the transaction should be. That is the. To understand this, you can go to eth-converter.com, and then you can see that 1 Ether is 1 and 9 zeros GUI and 1 and 18 zeros GUI. This is simple. If you click on full, you would see this is like the full. So if you want to put 1 Ether, it tells you Pine, which is milli, and then Way, May, Way, and Way are these units. So for now, we are going to make it simple. Follow GWEI, GWEI. So going back in here, I'm going to say that message start value should be greater than or equal to 100 GWEI. And do this and close the bracket. This is very simple. All it is doing is defining this function as payable, which is message.value should be greater than 100 GUI. That is very simple. Now what we are going to do is we are going to get this and deploy. So compile, I'm going to make it a little bigger here, which there you go. And then I'm going to deploy this. Click on deploy. You would see that the contract is deployed, and you see that the deposit contract button is in red color just because it denotes that it is payable. So let's transfer GUI. So if I do not transfer 100 GUI, let's say I do 99 and say deposit, it's not going to do that. It's going to give you an error saying that error check condition. This is the error that we wrote here. So if I deposit 100 GUI and then say deposit, it's going to say that yes, 100 GUI are these many ways, which is equal to 100 GUI were deposited to this account, and you see this balance of this contract changed to 0.001 Ether. Now, just for the discussion's sake, you see here that these many GUIs plus the gas value has been deducted from this test account. Now, we transfer 1 ether just for the fun's sake, right? So I'm going to transfer 1 ether deposit. You see the balance changed, and obviously it is more than 100 GUI, and you see the balance here reduced. In the next set of videos, what we're going to do is make it a little bit more dynamic, and we will also have transactions in an array, and then we will understand how to withdraw cryptos from the account. Keep watching. This is going to build up. Thank you.